Welcome, today in front of me TCL 205 and I'll show you how to change your lock screen wallpaper on this device. So now we can see that we have the same wallpapers on the lock and home screen, and to change the lock screen wallpaper, let's open the settings and then tap here on the display section. After that you'll see here wallpapers, click here once. We can use the Google gallery, so if you just log in into the Google account, or we can use our device photos. If you just and unfortunately I don't know any photos, so let's just take a picture. For example, let's go back now to the settings, to the wallpapers. We can now see here that we can use our camera photos just previously taken or downloaded from the internet, for example. Or also we have here just the default wallpaper, so we have selected now this one. So let's use, for example, this wallpaper. We can see how that will look on the lock screen or home screen. Now just let's use it on the lock screen. Tap here to done. We can see here the message that this wallpaper applied successfully, and now we can see that we just successfully has changed lock screen wallpaper on our TCL device. Also, we can do it by the second way. Just first you should hold for a while your device screen, and after that on the left down corner you'll see wallpaper icon. Just click here and by the same way select one from these available wallpapers. For example, let's use it on the lock screen here. Tap to done, wait a second, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.